TY still exists, my friends. Who knew? Hi everyone! I'm so rusty. Okay, so this is probably not the first video that you guys are seeing from me since my return from a little hiatus I took. But this is the first video I'm gonna be filming for you guys, so I just thought let's start somewhere easy, get me a little warmed up, back into the groove of things, and do this little unboxing. Well, okay, not a little unboxing, it's actually a massive unboxing. So this is a combination of things. A huge reason why I took a hiatus was because I was ready to up my game. So that is the big thing that I'm really excited to find amongst all of these boxes here is my brand new vlog setup. So we're gonna experience the excitement all together of unboxing what I got for that, which in turn results in me being back and making some videos. So we got my new vlog setup. I also have been contacted by a few smaller sellers on Amazon. They just asked me to review some products of theirs. I said yes to every request, and I intend on giving very honest reviews, so probably won't be happening in this video, but you can get my first impression of everything. And what else is here? I don't know, I can't remember. I bought a lot of random stuff off of Amazon recently. Oh, and I've got a package from my parents. So let's get started. I figured we'd start with this box. This might be the exciting box though, but it's also just like big and in my way. So here we go. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's Christmas. What is it? Paper. A box in a box. Oh my god, this is my camera. I'm so excited. We are really starting this video off with a bang. I got a kit deal because it was the same price as the body only, but I bought a lens separately. So I got a lot of cool stuff, and I think I'll just go ahead and link everything below. My baby. Oh, my baby. I ended up purchasing the Rebel, actually, hold on one second. The Rebel SL2, brand new model. Oh my god, it's so tiny. Flip screen, you go. Maybe I'll do like a full setup tour once it's all, you know, going and I can talk about it a little farther into the experience. But I'm really excited about this camera. I think this is a great next step for me along my journey. Okay, so I opened up the most exciting thing first. I didn't do that on purpose, but let's keep going. Oh, heck yeah! A Brita filter. So yeah, yay, hydration. Ooh, yes. I got a new Diva Cup because when I moved farms, I think I misplaced my Diva Cup. So, yeah. If any of my viewers want to talk like feminine stuff, I would be so down, but you guys have to ask for it because no one really watches those videos. Like I've made a few videos on topics like periods while traveling and the Diva Cup and period underwear and stuff, and no one watches them, so let me know if anyone new out there cares. Oh, snap. Oh wow, this was just like hanging in here. That box was open. That kind of makes me nervous. My lens! Yay! Ooh, it's heavy. Oh, I ended up purchasing a Canon EFS 18 to 135 millimeter. Hey, hey you. Hey, I think I know someone that you might like to meet. Would you guys be into like, I don't know, grabbing coffee, just like the three of us? I'm so nervous. Hey, Hermione, no, that's not your food. Okay. Look at Cool. Whoa, this zooms in far. As much as I would like to do this right now, let's just keep unboxing stuff. Ooh. I got a little shaver razor thing because mine broke. So I finally got like a rechargeable one. And the fun thing is, this comes with a cute little face wash thing. Because I used to have a Clarisonic, and obviously this is no Clarisonic, but something's better than nothing at times. Oh my god, the cat. Hermione, that is not your food! I've got a fat cat problem, you guys. Look at her. She's gained weight and she keeps eating Pabu's dinners, and Pabu's just getting thinner and thinner because I just can't keep her away from his food. You're cute anyway, though. I still love you. Okay. Ooh! Yay! I got the Video Micro for my audio. Ooh, I am so excited. I think the first video you guys have seen definitely is with this setup in mind. So, I mean, who knows? This may very well be the last video I make on my iPhone. I mean, that would be kind of nice, actually. I feel very ready for that step. Oh, I forgot I bought this. I just got some more insect spray. It's DEET-free, all natural. It smells so good, and it just doesn't feel bad. It's just nice. It's like even like lotion-y. It's really, really nice. I bought a set of 2 new screen protectors for my iPhone, but actually, I'm pretty sure my phone's breaking. Like, straight up, the touch screen on the far left-hand side is starting to not work. I think it was a drop that I did. But yeah, my phone is just going downhill. It's not charging really anymore, and now I can like barely text the letter A. So that's kind of fun. Okay, box number 2 is done. Oh, fun. So this is one of the items that someone sent me on Amazon. Again, they're not like a sponsor, they just asked me to review a product, and of course, as I am on this YouTube journey, I would love to, you know, start working with brands and find companies that I really believe in, but you kind of have to start somewhere. So I thought, why the heck not? I'll say yes to every offer I get, basically, review their product, and if it is something that I didn't want or need, I will just donate it, and then someone else can have it that might need it more than me. So this is from Creative Developments. The bag says Country Bound, so I don't know if that's, maybe that's the company that makes this. I'm not sure, but I'll link it below. And it's a microfiber towel, and it comes with a carrying case, which I already actually really like. First impression. Comes with like, you know, mesh detailing, so it's breathable, and a cute little, what do you call these? I always want to call these lanyards, but they're called carabiners, yeah. It's a cheap carabiner, but like, it would definitely hold these towels. Actually, I don't even know if this is more than one towel or not. Quick dry travel towels, set of 3. Cool. Oh, okay, so like, you know, hand size. They all have hanging thingies. Oh, and they unsnap. That's actually really awesome. It doesn't smell like anything. And a medium size. Ooh, that's a good size towel. Like, right now I have 2 travel size towels, and they honestly, they don't even wrap around my body completely. So first impression is very positive, and I think I'll do a comprehensive review once I've used them, just at least once, just to see how fast they dry. And yeah, I don't know. Creative Development sent me this, and I am very grateful to them for that. So first impression is I'm very excited. While we're on the topic of items I was sent, this is an item that I'm still excited to try out, but I'm not really excited to promote in any way, so I am gonna just be super honest about it. But this I was sent a while ago, and my GoPro broke, and I really wanted to review it using my GoPro, so that's especially why I haven't reviewed this yet, because I've had it in my possession for a while now. So I do apologize to Sea Beast, the company who sent me this. And I haven't even opened it up yet, but it comes with a cool carrying case, so that's always helpful, I think. But it is a anti-fog full face mask. And the reason I'm apprehensive about this product is, wow, this is hardcore. Whoa. Hey, get out of that box. Pabu, go, go, go. This is Pabu, everyone. To those of you who haven't met him yet, this is the other kitty who I live with. And I'll get into details later, but basically me and the two kitties we're all roommates. They don't like each other so much, but I like both of them. They're both very different, and they keep me on my toes. Right, Pabu? Yes. So these full face masks have gotten a bad rap as of late, and there's a possibility that they cause drowning. It's being investigated at this moment, so...
And honestly, like, visually, it's really cool. Can you hear me?
I don't know. Stay tuned for that. Oh, cool. I guess we're sticking to a theme here. This was one other product that was sent to me recently, and this was another one that I was actually kind of excited about. So this is from Nuverist, and they sell scratch-off maps. So let's open it on up. I don't know why I smell everything. This will be really fun. So I haven't done a lot of international travel, so when they offered to send me one of their products, I did decide to go with a map of the US because I would have more to scratch off. My first impression is I'm really excited. I love maps. I'll have to hang this and scratch off where I've been. That'll be really fun, actually. Oh, and there's a bucket list at the bottom. That's kind of adorable too. Oh, I like this. It has like well-known locations like Walt Disney World, Statue of Liberty, Golden Gate Bridge. Oh, this is fun. I'm gonna have fun with this. So thank you, Nuverist, for sending me this map. I'm actually pretty excited. Haha. Oh, I need this so bad. I got a new yoga mat. My yoga mat has fallen apart. Oh, heck yeah, yoga mats. You gotta get your zen on sometimes, you know? Ooh, and I forgot. When I bought my yoga mat, it came with a free yoga mat strap for all of those yoga adventures I go on. Just kidding. I don't go on yoga adventures, but maybe I will now. This is the final product that I had sent to me that I will be giving a review of very soon. LED camping light. It's tiny. I had no idea it was going to be this tiny. Aww. Well, there we go. A cute little lantern. That's nice. Pabu's playing in the boxes. I don't really understand what... Oh. So it needs batteries. I don't own any batteries, so I guess I'll go buy some. It takes 3 AA's. That's kind of annoying. Well, yeah. I mean, I appreciate them sending this out, but they should have sent out batteries. But where's the light and the on switch and stuff? How do you get this? Oh, it lifts up right up. Oh, that's adorable. Cute. So I don't know. And there's a hook. I guess that's to like hang it if you want to hang it from upside down, or you can hang it this way. I can't figure out where the on-off switch is. Well, it feels pretty cheap, but it's really adorable, and I will probably use this while I'm out here for sure. But we're coming to the end of this unboxing. I think all we have left is from my parents. You can really tell this is from my parents because they shipped using a no-waste coffee pod box, which is very much like my mom to do. She loves her coffee pods. Oh dear. They always send me more than I ask for. I got a letter from my bank. Fun. Aww. Mom. So thankful for you. You are so loved. That's really cute, actually. This is a cute mug. I don't need a mug, Mom. Mom. She always sends me stuff, and I'm like, Mom, I don't need anything. Please just send me money. Just cash. Just the cold, hard stuff. Just kidding. It's very cute. And, okay. She gave me a little lamb, a little TY Beanie Baby. Boy, does that bring me back. TY still exists, my friends. Who knew? I used to be quite the collector. Her name is Lammy. She's a ballerina, apparently. So, I'll keep the mug, Mom, but like, I will probably find someone to give this to, someone with kids, or donate it, and someone is gonna really enjoy this, but I don't think I'm gonna keep it. Please don't be mad at me. She's very cute. Let's just, maybe I'll hold on to her for like a little bit. But I just have a feeling the cats are gonna run away with it. Alright. What else? Oh, this is actually super practical. Strings for glasses to stay on while working in the yard. How many sets did they give me? I forget the term for these, but, and I don't know how to tie them, but that'll actually be really handy. I am not above whatever you call these. Who knows what these are called? And she sent me, oh, Mom, you did good. This is nice. A pillow with the map. Remember how I just said I like maps? This is super cute. It's like watercolor, and then it says go on the bottom. That's adorable. Well done, Mom. And then the whole reason my parents sent me something was because my last birthday present, my parents got me the Unts. That's what I call it. This is a Bluetooth speaker, and when I was moving out here, I was gonna be at, you know, an Airbnb farm where I wasn't really allowed to make a lot of noise, like at all. So I was like, well, thanks guys, but like, you can just hold on to it for now. But now at my new spot, I can blast music almost anytime I want. And now I'm going to. Thank you, Mom and Dad. You know, 6 months after my birthday or something, and I'm finally getting to enjoy this awesome speaker. Alright guys, so that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing all of these exciting surprises. Now I have to put everything away and play with my camera, and I'll see you all very soon with comprehensive reviews of all the products that I was sent. Thank you again for everyone who did send out products to me. So until then, I hope you are all well, and I'll see you very, very soon. Mwah. Bye guys.